Hello, here we have this sunflower, and we have planted this spring some sunflower with some other mixture of flower plant, and now you can see we are getting some sunflower here. This is the new one is still coming. See, and this is the another one, another pot where we planted some more sunflower, and here you can see this bud is still coming. And on the top of this one we have, this is the oldest flower so far, and we are going to take this. You can see this flower petal from the top, they are almost gone, and if you will closely look, you can see this is all dried up right now. So we'll take this one flower, and then we'll try to get seeds from this. We'll get the harvest. And also here, if you will see, there are many other flowers, buds are coming out here. This one is also coming out here, so we'll cut this flower from here. So let's cut this from here so that we can yes, okay. So now here we have this flower. This is, and let's see if we can get the seeds from here. So first we have to remove all these top thing, and then these are, you can see, yes, yeah, you can see these black seeds. Okay, let's me take it out. Yes, here you can see these are the black seeds are very nice, are coming out. So maybe we can keep this way. Let me keep this the flower part separately than the seeds. So here is the seed is coming out. So this is the first time we are trying to get the seed, harvest the seed from sunflower. So here you can see there are many seeds out. So we can utilize these seeds for the next summer or next winter when they will come out. So this, and we can sow them once again. So you can see all these black seeds are very nice. These are very nice seeds are coming out. And these seeds can be grown next year for making other plants. And it's very easy, just you will get some other parts of the flower, but you can just remove those one from the seeds, and it's very nice. You can see the very important thing is this, that here I would like to show you that in this plant, this sunflower is still not ready, because these petals are very hard, and still flower is good. And next time this flower is almost ready to get the seeds from here, so next time we will get this one. And this flower have a different brown color petals, so this is a little different color of petal. So here you can see we are getting all these sunflower seeds from my sunflower plant. It's very easy to harvest seeds, and you can see there are many of these, or here is too some black seeds. Okay, so thank you for watching. You can see its seeds are coming out from this sunflower. Thank you.